You can take couple of seconds pause and then you can start.
Hi, my name is Rohit. I represent as CEO and CMD of XIPHIAS group companies. I am basically promoter of this company. So I would like to give you a brief about the group of organization, what is headed, and there are a couple of startups. So we will come to specific questions after a brief introduction. XIPHIAS is a 12-plus-year-old company. I started this company when I was in the second year of engineering as a software developer, and since then we have another 7-8 companies. So the first company, which is our parent company, is XIPHIAS Software Technologies Private Limited, which has been nominated, for which we are having the this interview right now. Second is our XIPHIAS Immigration Private Limited, which is one of the only company in South India registered from Canadian government, authorized representative of Canadian and Australian government, where we help people to settle abroad and student visas and all that ethically. And as you know, there are thousands of companies, but there are very only, if you search on Canadian government website, you'll find only our company name in South India. The third company is our XIPHIAS Studios Private Limited, which is we are into for all the startup companies. We do product cataloging, brochures, then scratch from website designing till they come into market. Everything means there. If you see, we are the authorized and vendor for Flipkart, Snapdeal, everybody. So whatever product comes on their e-commerce portal is suited by us, and their technology solution is provided by the company. That is called as XIPHIAS Studios Private Limited, and we are soon coming up with a commercial Bollywood movie also. We do a couple of events. The third company is XIPHIAS Projects Private Limited, which is into completely into skill development. We have agreement with 5 states for skill development from Uttarakhand, UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal, where we are for rural with Khadi Udyog and MSME, where we are providing skill development to the rural people. And then XIPHIAS Projects is also into dairy, food processing, and real estate activities. The fourth company is XIPHIAS Connect.com. It's Connect.com, which is a UK-based company, and through this I have automated almost all the major means media companies in UK as content delivery network system. I was the one who started with e-magazine, e-paper 10 years back. So this company is purely into media automation. Then we have our own startup e-commerce portal, where we are e-commerce portal for selling sarees online, which you can go through XIPHIAS.in, silksari.com. The domain name is silksari.com. And this, the what better we are doing, how we are better than other, that we are directly means my partner in this company is a manufacturer since last 4-5 means more than 9 decades. His great grandfather started, so they were into traditional business of retailers and all that. So we joined hands, and now we are selling the product directly from manufacturer to the customer, and we are doing good into that. We are out of stock since last 6 months only after launch. Then the next company is XIPHIAS Business Immigration, where based out of Hong Kong, where we help all the business people who want to settle out of India. So this is a brief about our company. Now in XIPHIAS Software, I will come specific to the company for which we are talking now. XIPHIAS Software, I will explain you in a pyramid structure. At the top level of pyramid, we represent as India's #1 touchscreen kiosk manufacturer and solution provider. We means every 150 kilometer from Jammu Kashmir till Kanyakumari, you will find our kiosk. You name a client, either bank or PSUs or government or airport, any airport in India. Delhi airport is using our kiosk. All the banks are using our kiosk, like check depository kiosk, passbook printing kiosk. If you find in SBI, PNB, that is all our kiosk. Then all the multinational companies like Intel, HP, IBM, Accenture, we automate them with our kiosk. Means their infrastructure is automated through our kiosk. And then you name the client, everybody we are providing solution through. Automobile, especially Honda, Hero, Audi, their all plants are automated with our kiosk and SAP. The ERP is what they have. And then one of the most project which we have done under a smart city concept and e-governance for one of the state in Jharkhand, where we have installed a ATP machine called as Anytime Payment Kiosk, where consumer can go and pay their electricity bill, water bill, or any kind of government revenue collection. So till since 2012, I am into that business. Till 2015, I got only means we were able to install 60 machines, and government was very happy. The department were very happy, and this year we have received 150 plus order. This year itself, we have received 150 order, and again, if you see our my Facebook and couple of other social media links, you will find that there was a means we have been taken as a means important part of Jharkhand, where we are helping government to collect other revenues, setting up couple of colleges, universities, factories, and all that. So this is about top level of pyramid called as kiosk. Second level, I myself am a software developer and a designer. So I developed, we generally do ERPs and CRM for healthcare and education domain, especially. And kiosk helps for a manufacturing automation manufacturing unit. So we have a product called as Anytime Student Information, which is there's when I developed when I was in second year of engineering, and most of our awards we have got means from all the Digital Learning Future India, Karnataka Small Medium Association, whomever you name, for the product what we have given. We basically don't believe in sales. We rather believe in making the customer delight, usable and friendly, because kiosk is our main industry. This so the software part, the automation, scratch from prospectus selling till TC and alumni, everything is automated. Means we make it paperless and fully automated, thousands of on-demand reports and all that. So that is basically a big ERP, and we have more than 1,000 clients, more than 1,000 in last 12 years, especially from Maharashtra region. And sorry. Similarly, we have for a healthcare ERP software, and then there are a lot of other softwares like payroll, bill management, and all. This all softwares we provide as a complete solution. We provide as a one-time solution. We provide as a SaaS solution also, software as a service. Like we sell payrolls outright, we sell school softwares outright, and even we provide on a service SaaS based. So that is we basically are a product-based company. And the third level, now we have evolved as a product and service both in last couple of years. And the third level, we, as I told you, I am myself a developer and designer. So I have done more than 5,000 websites in last 10, 12 years. And now I've stopped doing websites. We do big application, web applications, mobile applications, app development, and all that, and helping this all startup and upcoming companies who comes with a business idea, but they don't know technically how to do it and all. So we help them from their scratch, from the idea till they come online. Like one of the example is Silk Sari. Another, we are coming up with one of the most innovative, where we have already filed a couple of patents and copyright for online test yourself on demand test. As to class 8 till 12 or IIT JEE and all that examination, people can create their own test, and means they can give the test and they can get back to us. We have a panel of high experience professors and teachers from all over world, not only India, all over world, who are going to do that. Then mobile app and all, as you know, it is nowadays. So this is and fourth level, we are into training and internship. So we train people according to our industry standard after their BE, BCA, MBA, when they get graduated, and then we help them. We train them first what we need, and apart from that, we also provide to all big MNCs. We have tie-ups with Intel, Wipro, HCL, and all that companies. So this is about XIPHIAS software. Now I will specifically come to the question: what is the vision of your startup, and what does your product service do? So my vision of the startup is to help the society, help people. I don't believe in making money. I believe in making brand. So I am looking, my aim is something to make better than Tata, Birla, and Reliance and all that. So that is how we are working. We don't focus on, I don't focus, especially being a CEO, CMD of the organization, on financial part. I rather believe in making the client delightful. Like, for example, one example with a success story, product service do. We are coming up with a kiosk which will do soil testing. And that solution, soil testing for agriculture sector. The way I told you for test yourself, similarly we are coming up with, means there are around 22 researchers and a couple of patents filed from our company for all this kind of. So this the soil testing kiosk is going to help our farmers it will tell that what kind of fertilizer you have to use, what kind of crop you have to do, and all that things, which is already discussed and proposal sent, approved from Narendra Modi, our honorable Prime Minister, sir. And means we are waiting for just a prototype is going on. The second question, how is your tech solution? Being a tech savvy, I am myself a technology person, so I believe technology, as you know, technology is I can say a very important part in our life nowadays. The way we are connected on Hangout, earlier we had to be on a face to face or a telephone and all that. So technology plays a major role, and the success story of that, which was also published by this IAM Calcutta and Intel, which you can find on their website, was one of the technology which is helping a common user to pay their utility bills on demand, on time, 24/7. Means they had a legacy system of opening a counter, manual person, and then all that things, but I made it automated. So their technology plays a major role. Technology is everywhere, I can say. Technology is what is a backbone for our organization, especially in immigration. We are not having any manual. There are 45,000 clients all over the world. What we are doing, and that all is run through our own CRM, which is developed in more than 1.5-2 years, and means from scratch. You say missed call alert, from a missed call till everything is automated. So technology plays a major role also, where it is not a tech savvy company, it is a service oriented company, and the service automation we have done through this technology. So it plays a very important role in our organization and at every level. Share some metrics about the third question. Share some metrics about your startup, including customer engagement and customer stickiness. As I told you about the success story of Jharkhand, Uttarakhand is same, Chhattisgarh is same, and then immigration, the soil testing, test yourself. It is called as TYS361.com, which we are going to launch soon. So this all are the answers, which is for third question. Share your metrics about startup. Now I will come directly to the fourth question. What is your technology roadmap to drive business innovation further? Our punchline is innovation beyond imagination. So I feel that the punchline itself answers everything. Innovation beyond imagination. So we are only into innovations, and innovations. And these innovations help us to do something better than what we are not doing anything different. What people are doing, just we are doing it differently. And that differently is done through innovation technology. I say innovation is very important, and I feel that each and every person associated with me has a capability of innovating, which in Hindi or generally in our India we call it jugaad, but I call it innovation. So it is very important factor, and we have our own R&D center, a big center. We have a 12,000 square feet office in Bangalore, Kormangla, 6th block above income tax department, where we have our own R&D center. And that R&D people are from all over India, who are selected from top colleges, who have done some innovative, and then they come into as a partner to company. We become a partner, and if they have something innovative, they are launching, like the soil testing kiosk, test yourself, silk sari, and all that. So what is a technology roadmap? We are roadmap for business innovation further. Yes, there are a lot of things coming up. Few I have told you, few I cannot tell till I get a patent acknowledgement. So which is going to be soon coming into marketplace, and then you can say that business drive innovation further. Yes, it is going to drive, and we are looking how to automate it more, make it a robust system, and go ahead on a means world-class technology. The fifth one, please suggest 2 of your CTO friend outside your who should be participating in this award. So one is Dr. Latesh, who is a professor and head of SIT Tumkur. He's a research head, and I will suggest another. There are a couple of you have asked only 2. I can suggest another 4, 5. Dr. Leena, who is not in our organization, but she is a part of that soil testing kiosk. Then Mr. Saurav, who holds more than 25 years of experience, who has who's giving a different shape to the education. So we are coming up something which you will not, which is very simple. I believe that small ideas, big businesses does not run with big money. It runs with small ideas, and that small ideas are like Facebook, Twitter, and all that. So that is how I feel. So there are a couple of people whose means I will send you 4 or 5 people, CTOs who are doing good. They are into only research and development. And for me, CTO means Chief Technology Officers for technology. People are there whose contact I will be sharing. So I feel I have answered all your question. If you have any specific question, please go ahead, sir. I need at least 3 or 4 hours to give you a brief, only a brief intro, but I managed to do it quickly.